Michael has an appointment today, guys.
What's wrong? Hold on.
Because I want you to be the bad guy.
No, I'm not.
Come on. Guys, she is getting her 6-month shots, and let me just tell you, it's been a minute since I've came with her to this appointment. These appointments where she gotta get shots, and the anxiety is kicking in because child, and her dad don't want to be the bad guy. You like the backpack? Why is you not eating? That's Sissy's backpack. Hey, Araya. Dang. She wants the phone so bad. Rai. Hi. Hi, Rai. Hi. How are you? Hi? You're not gonna be this excited once you get them shots. You're not gonna be this excited. You know, huh? No, you're not. Guys, tell me why we literally spent like an hour and a half in this room before we actually got to see the doctor. As you can see, my husband's playing with the baby just to keep her entertained. What got her attention? Honestly, at this point, I was kind of fed up. I really wanted to go home so bad because it's like usually, like if you have an appointment, 30 minutes, you know, we're out. But for this appointment, we were there for 2 hours. Because her appointment was at 5 p.m. We arrived at 4:30 because they want you to come in at least 15 minutes earlier for check-in. We didn't leave. Like, we didn't leave that. We didn't leave the office, the room, until like, I would say 6:45, almost 7. So, and we had plans to go to the park with the kids and everything because it was the day that both of us are off from work. But we ended up not even getting to do none of that because we spend majority of the time at the doctor's office. So it was just not it. And
why do I feel like she's trying to eat your hand?
So after the office,
why do I feel like she's trying to eat your hand?
Ahead.
Oh, he's trying to get you to rip that paper apart. She wants to you to grab that paper. Dang, right. Have you really helping us? You are your... It's your birthday. No te conozcas. Ni me conoces. Oh my goodness. Mama. Wow. Move it. Look at the way she's looking at you. Right, that's my husband you're looking at like the shoe. Right. That's cute. What? She said I'm gonna do it nicely.
Guys, I got bored with waiting for the doctor. So guess what I did? I decided to FaceTime one of my best friends. Just we can just chit chat while we're waiting for the doctor. So I couldn't record the video when she was getting the shots, but this is her afterwards. Like, she was really upset. Let me tell you, like, my daughter is like really sensitive, like extra sensitive. Like this is after like 20 minutes after the shots. Cause you know how like they do the shots and you gotta wait for like 15 minutes to see the reaction. This is her after the shots.
And then you are smiling.
But look at that.
You were just
Once she
crying,
sees her
bitch.
dad, she's playing with her dad. She's doing everything with her dad. But when I was back in the office, I couldn't even stop crying because she was just,
Bro, babe.
she was
going
over it.
One person is Korean.
Right.
Yeah.
As soon as she got in the car, she went to sleep. Little mama was knocked out. Like she was gone. Like we went out and got some food and she was just still sleeping. And then we got home, as you can see. She woke up a little bit right there. We got home and she was still sleeping.
Hi, Nini.
And then there's a meal over there.
Daddy went home.
Daddy went out.
Daddy went home.